from somewhere. Yes.
But you're beginning several times, Deputy Governor.
And we will take off.
Koru Sugoi, Koru Karen, Koru Kisi Mechango. You are the only professionals the Deputy President have consulted.
No, that's not true, my brother. I got to achieve the Sugoi first time we do and go on to 1,500. Yes, we 1,500 people. And it was didn't have a chamber 7. Now, I care out to about the leaders meeting one. I think we have 2 leaders meetings one. In town to about the meeting now about see bonds. But in about a council builder, but 200. The second time I got to about again one or you got about 1,000 across the 9 constituent, across the 9 constituencies. So it's not true that no. Last time I got to again, the last time to about I think it's about 2 months ago, around 100 people. So, but you see, there will be leaders. For now, you see, you can have a commission go ya Osoro, commission ya Magara, Osoro, no monto chori, goes out in Ogrango. My the other democracy to go out, no one will see, you know, citizen number 1, no why. There you go. Yeah. Citizen number 2 man, there are video. So in South Mugrango, citizen number 1 also. In Majoga, citizen number 1 Nali, Alpha. So if you're going to have people coming, there's nothing wrong with their leaders accompanying them.
Okay.
Yes.
Can they get more discussed today, Deputy President, about apart from issues, ya unity, ya bantu walibari amune, keko affect musi?
Yes, yes. Do quantity group. Mighty abana ba boda, abangina ababe chichiro, abantu ba taxi, abange sana, bambuli lutati kubachangera. Request, so we needed to sit down as leaders to agree corona it was a cohera. My doja wanse, Katoja wansera, kibi group doja uchangira kwanza, because he likes to manage to jangira to house na Kenya.
Mchanga noro kwetoka no that's a discussion here.
Yes.
So in general, a plan more corona.
Yes.
Yeah, mchango ya usi.
Yes. Mchango kanyo kubete kwa sababu mangana no mata mangana betamangire tama. Kyotu anyubanga oyo utagira ko I think 20 after Mashade. Kyotu abanga ojo koba ikatoka mangana ya a COVID yasoy. So cover scheduled. So yes, that's one of the things to discuss it. Na ya board.
Okay.
Yes.
Very well. So a roadmap after Corona we will have nini.
Yes.
Via kabisa. Ile kama nganisa na vile mwanchi motekeli imbe yegasa FM nguva ya mwanya ketinge. Chisamon sinchire twarara chialenge cyo kuranga gocha EACC. Ni chama ni chialenge.
Yes.
Watu
Samo chini chialenge. And Nayando. Samo chilia story ya Welenda.
We are willing to listen.
In 2015, muwakili ukurukwa Edward Begi uyu nanu mwana mitikuruka ekabanga ndenda ongera tamo hivi utumea umurondo kwa metsera bakagenda koti bagansoera ekonalenga America di nalenga sense maide nyakundi squeeze no Kristo na sio kwa Mulisi no Kristo lakini ando matenji na kinde do Kristo kero kinde do Kristo jo ansira mangana ya gatia uja koburuka poranga ikatinga nyo maru
in the US
in the US kwa nyo maru oge ndiga ko nyo maru okubwatu eko bwatu wate wanga otoko igisibo igisibo kia America ngeni ya Kenya igisibo kendo watebwa ngokote tulunga nando wojo kubwatu osuma komogi mugima lakini asabono tuakoira matuko sarasi matuko sarasi ni kigunya kare ana kigunya safu matuko sarasi ugonya safu igisibo kule Kenya ba bakwandika kawaida ndo koirana nandi samo matuka yande na bora agende asikuru kuchera house yoko ina daswa kamugaso butu kwara Iye to jana do nyumba wa gendiga. Perhaps na bora boarding kimangia ko do details sinyi kinyi. The reason one could details Jones we don't have to is because our brother one of us is called but he came to just social media but here about Mother American about the freedom of information. But about here about City Gibicha, but every my governor so you to a chair, my governor do a fine. It's a sour. Chief Justice Oito Maraga or you or tired actually. Omuntu umia ejaji hilda. Ere como ya ka studia te onge kamita na kuko nya atara saved na nyuta mapaka kuchusira. President of America.
Donald Trump.
No, mutanga change the post. Anyita marwa akateka kunyo marwa ka president. Pono onye mangi nyuta marwa akateka kunyo marwa bere de bilawa. Pono incorruption.
Were you punished?
Yes.
You were punished?
Yes, I was punished and I paid for my price.
Yes.
And I became a good boy.
Yeah.
Yes.
You were cleared?
Yes.
So why were you being taken to court? On allegations what the issues?
Bono, kile kingo se kambuli ngaki, ekerono yuko mira kotinga, gangana qualified kuba, running mate. Does he understanding na the kuba disqualified, kama nungwela kuba disqualified, because it we ran together, but that's a story for another day. Tonkelinga, I was clear, Nada again, and I can only gabu, now I will tear Pandava, yes, sing a key data. Not keep a crook. Anti-corruption. EACC, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Body. Now, they created under the Economic Crimes Act. Pono kubodi ya kondiomito. Pono, ya aningana nyuta maru America. Tukoma no mokungu. In corruption bago investigate. That is why now board thing key. Bono ngusi ngokore gas with the deputy governor. Sasa. Ntubuga the very many allegations ngusi gali. Mangana banga sana karor. Abana inchi baitoko rusko gaiga. Bachire bate bilenga intuguna turoje binte bya covid mate ngamwe abara antubiro bitubiroje. Abana inchi bachire sko ga bate bilenga ekiro chikontracte chikowe gasi sangine nchiroko ragasi chikolo chiwaka chitarako bana batebe bawo kampara.
We will come to that, Deputy Governor. I want us to exhausting allegations. The Salmon City Aragotevanga, they are investigating allegation touching on allegation of falsifying information and provided in your self-declaration forms submitted to the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission for the 2017 general election and swearing false declaration.
Yes.
What does that mean? Ekiniki?
Form nere ekero obuchikoboli urai okuboli wanga kwanya kubwatwa osibwe obe kwechera omenye ime uitanye matuko 60 days uitanye matuko mangestanye matuko 60 no 6 months mitenyi sita na uitanye now iso to kama kuona kwa sentenced to more than 6 months then you're supposed to disclose. One of the sentences here, 30 days. So I didn't have to disclose.
You disclose. So did you say so?
Yes.
Did you say it was 30 days?
Yes.
Yeah. So you could have so falsifying nearly.
Na kile kingo bole. Na chana kingo ngaire kena ngaire. Kumanya sa ingina bantu bakungaina. Maida krowa te ndamu. Nane jiro mwakiri. Manyitenga ngakidiswari likoboli. Krowa te ndamu mukuri gwate ngobe. Iga takere ko genda imu mwako mugi na kanga gate betenga na take ko mwako mugi lakini nagenda. No, the question is kwanya osibua for more than 6 months. The answer is no.
What did the ACC say? What about clear one?
Nyakundi.
And I'll follow up to that. Because it's the second time I'm going to go. So next time I'm
going No, listen. Ni tanga ni obaji to court straight. Straight. Iga tukutu. Wa itukutu iga tukutu. Petition number 34, KC High Court. Number 34, 2015. Na boko endoche, bacheki. Iga tukutu. bona kro gia tutwa na ni bona bachire be mukire bachire EACC nga na investigate ngoje de EACC mundu je de EACC gakogwa Edward Begi nere a legal advisor y'umugabano ngwaye. Now ndate ngubuli gatata yakundi now onye nayori gavana umuwakili yori gete o advice na mukiki naire EACC yotamanye.
It's possible.
Why?
Even though we get okora gana ni.
No. Tegera. Umuwakili yori gete gwakana chivesa.
Kajata liko nsoya.
Ai mukie kina otali awaire kote. Ndongena na yakundi. Okwana ngiri ga gatate wani omaene. Ndoza kungaina.
It's possible. Na wewe kunyara kana onye kimbwata issues na deputy governor na bongo sorry without telling my boss.
Okay. Go whatever ngane do beg what issue.
I don't know. I'm saying just maybe. I could be wrong and I can speculate.
Yes.
Now forget about Equity. Fast forward one of our press conference was so critical and you are raising issues.
Yes.
Before trying to job deputy governor. The last time Kwarenga want everything aye ne boss here, you are very good friends. You're working together.
Yes.
You have no problem.
Yes.
No one jere tele bagari abune deputy governor. No one jere take over boss. Would you say that there?
Yes.
Oh really?
Yes.
And you are accusing your boss also was up over.
Listen to me. Tegero ni kula. Mayete mugabano ngwa nenche igenga buna kwa ibulu bumuchi. Niwele tata. Tero mura kwa ibulu bumuchi temile tinga kero mura muchi kile ndio akande iwa saingina mangana wako. Take kwa example. Andini example kila kibutegera grasa abantu bakombodi. Intwe injino mugabana buna kwa ibulu bumuchi tualire a bonus. Kutualire bonus tuachirenga tuatumira umwana ngagenda ngo onde tata gando gole nyama baleta onde gando gara mabati oleta mukoli gasyo mwendo koli koleta tuwana pondo tumeko nyoranga umwana uriyo yo molete nyama otebire urusubara ko motebire na yaya chikiro gitwata tuiba chikiro isano chikiro cyobe kuga isa tukyo akyoka rumo mwegoli toteba ngwanero mugaka ninjejo mone akyoka mwache kwa bodi mboko anga wana bodi yakini makini mwateba nga chikiro chache ni satu chokata chikiro isano bono ekero kubuli umate mwata no mugabana murata no mugaka no unataka kujua ukweli manya atachore tokorera bana ingiga at a personal level timba the problem na gavana at all but at work level anya magosa toke first we go so kubuli ngaki natwana abana bateba nga bono tiga akuna haja kurumira bara tukwandire onya abana inji basokire bo batebire nga intwe otoroching ibtande ibya kutuja kusonga moda na mwe kutuja kusonga mbigoli bono igoto ikansu kiro soko bona ki wait a minute to endengo toreni ibtande imbiro igoto bizato tena kama ngwaye in kasi hii sio urafiki
Ega simu deputy governor nere.
ega simu deputy governor nere ngokora counseling and assisting the governor.
Are you counseling him?
Yes.
Oh really?
Yes.
This is counseling.
My brother, listen to me. My work is to counsel the governor. Asama wasakowa pononya corruption obukuru bwakire. It is my work. Ote governor nga obukuru bwakira tigatubusa tubukiri.
Through the public?
Not necessarily through the public.
You stole him from Nairobi.
No, listen. Degerata. Don't be mistaken. Mandiru kuana governor motewe sama goza magosari. Just because it came out yesterday. No one come kuana nyumba kuana nyumba mangana soki and these are public affairs. In private, na advice you governor na mote bringa togendere iga ke usingo sire ngosire.
I have come here with my lawyers and made my statement to EACC, and the truth is that I did not make any false in my statement. I made false declaration
Yes.
in my statement, 2013 or 2017. I have also made it clear that this is a witch hunt orchestrated by none other than Kisii County Governor James Omondi Bongwe.
Yes. I stand by that.
What is witch hunt?
I yes, what come.
Timanyi tinje tindai witch hunt niki?
I go sana kwa so. Witch hunt.
Ye to vai se kusiba.
Ibona ngasana kwa so. Tani so nyakundi tereso mwale ko mutu saka
ya njetinyi weti yani mbekele seke usi which and ninki
which and like etina ko yule ekero okuri yani utaka ko soeromo ko soeromo nanya kundi. Let us not lose sight of the main point. I have said it and I will say it again that that is a witch hunt orchestrated by the governor himself. Why do I say that? Nande ntube sote kora interview etero kana neptina tokoriga ni ekero omo bisu a personal advisor yao owaka no musara akoyumuka ibintu agenda mpaka EACC ibintu ebira to affect twins tari borende osebintu ebira affect man no David umaye wonte mu mugaba natari ngawe. So let us not go there. This is a witch hunt.
We will have to go there because Deputy Governor Nana, I know not talking about witch hunt. Yeah. You can't accuse the same government you're serving.
Oh, really? Let me tell you.
You cannot.
No, listen to
you
me.
You are partly responsible of this road on the Kisi County.
Ntegere ronye kuningo David. Ndonga inana. Ekero okugambira usole serikali. In fact, your main work no connection of time. So to kill you deal with it.
You take responsibility.
Yes, I've taken responsibility. That's what I've taken it.
You are shifting blame.
No. Nyagundi.
You are not taking responsibility.
Listen, Nyagundi. How am I shifting it? Abantu bakire batebirenge bitebibire. Wonko yana nyebisi. Usiyongo te yes singa ki amangana y'abantu batebirenge investigate kumane ngoro maende usongo.
Ekero Deputy Governor there's misuse of COVID-19 funds. That the beds were claimed to have been bought, they were not bought. You sit in a cabinet,
yes.
Ya Kisi County,
yes.
More IT resolutions,
yes.
More IT budget, yes. More yes. And then these things are not done. Yes. Torko is in cabinet, you come to address a press conference.
See, that's why you're wrong. I have raised these issues. I've raised them severally. Na ande umanyete uko understanding bintekero bintu bikogorwa tari ongwa kogora tari mangi kogora ntubuga officers bakobye binde onako example ngaki ekero ngumuchi mwatumiro mwana tikore nyama uchiri bakoro chikiro sana urati satcho. So in this example ya kesi to a real solution if that be kogo okay? Then because you count here and then utubado kolega so 7,000 was 7,000. Baadaye boti ya chiro otebanga mahiti bintu byagole. One who can answer
report in a report
a complaint has been made.
A complaint?
Yes.
By a resident of Kitchener?
Yes.
Where has it been raised?
Oh, I still don't tell
no,
that complaint has been raised. And no responsible. You see, responsibilities to what the responsibility to protect the resources of the county. Now, you protect the resources of the county, and we can answer to kill it, to run a key, and more than good. Bonlembe usitoko te abanga kiti to ena topi that is why nguboli yesinga ki report njacha onye report ya cha o den utana biguli usitoko na toro tanto check toko nyara biguli ne toro tena ki na makosa ngebe clear
Deputy Governor ya Kisi County Josh Mangi akotebya abantu ba Kisi County ya Saramu Deputy Governor bitanda kibesa mwe tya baje da COVID-19 kitumegeti Deputy Governor ya Kisi County Josh Mangi akotebya abantu ba Kisi County nga double payment ngo korwere ase serikali ya Busaba. Deputy Governor akotebya abantu ba Kisi County nga project nchiro chigwakanwa kitakolire. Deputy Governor Kisi Josh Mangi akotebya abantu nga basari nchibire na evidence na aroro to be provided. Deputy Governor akotebya nga irregular employment y'abantu neraro ase county ya Kisi. Whatever kwaresire with the cabinet. Action ya vile taken.
Let me give you a
because you are a senior officer.
On board For example, let's talk about illegal employment. Oniga a case gaja whereby umano yomu usomonto yomu alike na ibigaiga in fact obisi mogambi yonde lakini stira kuli musara busi ikineke yesi kero mwana yabwatwa abori umaki agateba ngayaya nje kibesi kigano nyungu akanwa otogosea nomo bisage nomo bisage ikinde kingenderere investigation inegenderere okay now what is wrong in me kuboli EACC ngapone ndumeke kegenderere te kimutawo tumia chinsi chino mukuri kine mukuri wa moja kutayanganya lewa na nyutama but that's one example. The second example among na passaries a college ya mikayo chibeza a college passaries ya wana bai lakini umuntu be whistleblower akanda EACC agateba ngaya amdi chibese jino chya school weye bana bambaka ne chibese chite gana now EACC negenderere go investigate manganai. Now what is wrong in saying nga ibintu bigate bikorwa ngo Pierre ekirangi tinte kitingo kuru ofisi galia no example ne kere Nairobi omugabana Kidero aruete asobagambi isko gali gako amenyete ko trio injibune David amoso responsible untagita mangana investigate diare ngoja kugenda akabone mate teras mambe ga next time akugo tinda yikubuga tunga kamunga lengo bisi yana nakora so nyakundi these are not mere allegations, these are very strong allegations.
That's why we are concerned.
Yes,
that the deputy governor is actually raising very serious issues.
Yes,
as a secretariat part of.
Yes.
Number two, in action as our very responsible as a county government and leadership, because you should be taking action. If regular payments were done, this is an officer responsible. If irregular employment was run, HR nararo. Have you taken action as our very directly responsible?
There's a procedure to be followed. In general, deputy governor, we wait. Governor reposia. Now they be anga ekero muri nyomba. Ekero amangana yebe asokire. Onye na ate biru governor akire that take this step. We wait that. I've told the governor that we must act. Namdanga giving Deviga evidence, even the winner of the we can investigate. Now, Ekira Mangana Sokira Kuru County, Sokira EACC, DCI. Now, EACC must act.
Deputy Governor Mangana Yago to when the statement you signed.
Yes.
Nanda wakili wakili bande wagon Devi, but the fact what the statement they signed the signature.
Yes.
That one is it should be warranting enough. Or either or someone know was on the Wednesday. Or someone with EACC go explain among.
Yes, in the tayari.
On door angry.
On the tayari and angry will you go explain. And I will tell you, no, I am ready to go back there next week. Korua more details. Mayete, ntuba sokora Maria wananje machieso. Ntua chole tuchikuiba. Oto ituyo kolega. I am ready. Kogenda. Umi toka the host workers. Onye tuatebi unga kitu etili kwa cabinet nga. Isimba kerosi wasige. Isimba kutoka kerosi. Lakini montu yu wakani. I will go and pinpoint it out. I'm ready.
Kwa rikere EACC, asemi tebyo presia.
Yakuni madi yidi mokora. Now tebyo ngaki, I send that statement. I will follow up. Ninjem follow up with particulars. Yes.
Deputy Governor Elmo as a pair.
Yes.
I realize nga bintu bili kwenda byabona mwabange.
Yes.
Wanya kolengere gotegemero. As a protest and showing like I don't want to be part of it. Una wada that kind of watch Osumburu. One of the ways you go to Osumburu, or to Osumburu, one of the Vanga Kiapana, a Italia Yarenge plan yito. So I'm quitting.
I think you have answered it. One of the men who know the Pana, Italia Yarenge, I'm quitting. What do you quitting work on you? You will resign to work to Angobori, Chivas Chibiru, Chiavanai, Among the subject was Chibiru, one the understanding and it, going to work on you. You
Nekero arone obisi
Tagaranya kundi. Onya tutugede chiombe. Tutebanga nyana tutugede chiombe cheito cheibiru chechiroma omai. Mani we kanja tanga usal chiombe cheibiru wanji ngangana ngana kura no what you got. That's what we're doing.
ekero chombe chibiri no otore compound twensi tokuna koranga ki deputy governor nga chombe chetu chenda nayo mboni nga chombe chetu chenda. What are we helping? It's the same situation.
And that's what I'm doing.
You are not helping.
I've taken a step. I've gone forward. I've now asked EACs to come and investigate. So tinta kenyo ko re compound osanga chombe chetu chebi no ogo soka orige bamura bacheba buga chombe buga chombe chirane. That's what we're doing.
Amangana yaiga abeire bakuba raised as officially within the leadership, within the Buraiwe government.
Yes.
Because ideally I would have expected nga whatever ile no nyene written memo as a cabinet they request ya mangana.
Yes.
No evidence to that effect.
Well, no,
of course we need to see.
No, I can't give you here. But these issues have been tabled.
When were they tabled?
I have told you, these issues I have raised them severally. Kwa kwando biasana kwa ndevyo ngaki chombe chitu chebiru numu ekomba numitore kono tonya golera nsanga ki obe chombe chebitu obe yo soko jiri ojirigi so na really enough bona sokire mujirigende.
One morning you are at EACC.
Yes.
Second day you will carry the deputy president. Mogo strategizing kimoko robo governor workis. Are we not turaisa korengere with the even related? No,
Nyakundi, don't be cheated. My going with David President Igoro had nothing to do with yes on Wednesday. Wednesday on a summoned. Na so ere tue. Neliwa advisor yumo governor. That's why work at the so that he needed. Now Igoro on a bit invited. Now again I invited to go abanga abana waitu basa michango. Abanga na wetu basa michango. Makitoko bako na ande last time gonna nge ananya kundi. Ona batebe tinga nchi mugabo ngwaye kuna bayibuli. Atokubuka ma bitu kweboli nga nchi abana baitu bako bakori. Now ekero narangeri gunga ritoka lyatokire gamwe lyatoka nkane gamwe no inchunguli geri orbo yeri aba onkomya kangende ndetera aba
so bora delito
chalo ngo tangira turuno kwenda soka narede yes
governor timing ine rembe 70 be kois kwa bere deputy governor for 8 years.
Yes,
Magana hiyo rata
for those 8 years, Nyakundi, it's not that I've been keeping quiet. Now I talk about dishonest. Kabe honest. I have raised these issues at some point. I can talk about the problem the stadium ya Kisi in Tamani. The allegations ya chama umwe contract ya etu, mundu ya etu. Another issue is I went there personally. I'm just giving you examples to confirm nga umudu na akan takoreti guys. Magitora akan tuwe serikali to kolega. So Nyakundi that cover bias to we kolega tumanye.
No, I don't know. That's what I'm asking.
And I'm telling you.
If I knew, I could have not approached.
And I'm telling you, I have been asking these things. As some of us are, I would have stood firm and asked.
Are you telling me we see one of my deputy governor no more to cover or so I or call it frustrated?
I would not call it frustrated. I would call it we are facing challenges. Omatopogambi is not a walk in the back. So Bugambi at the environment challenges. Nyakundi. No buato mukungu. No buata abana. Ariye kurubu unkanaba. No matenga mwana wa mara bawo soka butia, umwana ndo kumyoka butia, umukungu kero kendo gotogonyera, pono tebe ngo chandikete. No, o tebe nga all frustrated. No, o tebe nga I am facing the normal challenges of life.
Yes. Are you telling me that there are corruption cartels as a government?
Nyakundi, I have made it very clear that reports have been made. report here, I don't have enough investigation ability, or that's not my responsibility. That's why now Kurangiria, EACC, DCI, you go investigate. Yes, those are the supplement.
Could you be part of the cartels?
No, not at all. And I'm ready. I'm ready. Because what we call a lifestyle audit. I am ready. Take it. Bacha check. Para uso nyumba de chiombe sato. Baka nyaranga ibire na nyorate. Go buy a buy. Dena kama kalikana ndio buga. In the ready for arrival still. The question is, twins in the ready for that lifestyle audit. In fact, I would like to check it to speed. To check it to speed.
Davanore whistleblower au siasa kwaka?
I am not. Listen, Tindi whistleblower and the Tindi waka siasa. I am doing my job as the deputy governor of Kisii County.
The job of deputy governor in Kisii County does not include complaining on public radio.
I am not complaining. You ask me and I'm explaining. I'm explaining. Akwambuli swali ngukuirane. Nge wakundi ngibona take. Ikiwa kumbuli swali ngukuirane wada nkombuli ide data ikoto bile.
Nindomine naongea bantu bangena babusingo bali maswali.
Very good.
Nindomine na babusingo.
Kumbuli maswali na kuirane bia. Anenge wonya njore.
Ene SFM ngwa ya mwetinge deputy governor Kisii County. His Excellency Charles Mangi nera mwenita semambia bono mwanje matagali endera usangamana intwe imira jepande na bisasa nigere ya bene